Welcome to the CryptoNest. So today, as you can see, the market, it's not at all as yesterday. Yesterday was the euphoria. Today, it's, oh my goodness, we're going to make a new lower low. Well, that's the spirit, my friends. All right, so render, it's still fighting hard. As you can see now, let me take my little brush here. So this was our 1, this was the 2. Now, honestly, I can say that this could be very likely the 3. And maybe after we're going to have a 4 and a 5. Now, within, so this is the 1, this is the 2. Now I'm going to change, maybe a change after. So I could say also that, this was the 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're doing the 5th. Now I'm going to change of the 3rd wave. So this could be just the 3rd wave, and then we're going to have a correcting movement to the 4th and a 5th one. So that's another way of reading it. More bullish, yes, but time will tell. Anyway, it's going to be easy, right? Because if we say that all this movement is the 3rd one, then after if we trace too much, then it is going to start to invalidate thanks to the price level that is going to start to react, right? But for a moment, we're all good. And yeah, we were doing this uptrend channeling. Ideally, honestly, would have been that this was, let me take the brush again. Ideally, honestly, would have been that this was the 1. We would have touched the 2 and we would have done something like this, right? But Render had something else in mind, something more bullish, and no one is complaining about that. And I think it was about here that I was telling you guys, maybe this is a nice entry, and we had this descending triangle as well. So if you did get some here, well, definitely here it was, still is time to get some profits in, to cash in. Now, if I check my RSI, also, it's looking good. We are on the 4 hours. Now, I just want to show something on the 1 hour, and I'm expecting a move shortly. Definitely, I would say before the end of the day. Let me just double check here. Yeah, by 8. Today is the 17th. Yes, we are, just to be sure. Okay, so, the next 5 hours, well, Render need to decide if he's going to break, he's going to break these trends, right? Is it going to go up or down? So that's the question of the day. Is it going to go up or down? If you see this video before 8, maybe, just say, drop down on the comments, up or down. And honestly, this looked like a bull flag, so it would mean, trend continuation. If we do that, then more likely we can, Render can more likely go and reach the $2.10 or $2.14, which I just said, I think, before. Let me take the 4 hours, so we have access to the other data. Yeah, so we had kind of a level here that was kind of relevant, acted as a resistance for a while, so I can do that again. That would allow us to have a very nice impulsive movement. So we will see, right? But, now it does look like, more impulsive movement now, but it's not textbook impulsive. So on the daily, you can see that impulsive, this is not impulsive, right? This is a diagonal. And once again, diagonal, they keep changing. So actually now this trend starts to be almost a little bit irrelevant. I could also draw another one maybe now, something like this. So if I zoom in now, are we really respecting that trend, or we broke out a little bit? We barely broke out. So it's still good. And once again, I would say that the shorter trend that we shouldn't try to not break, actually, if we want to continue to be bullish, would be this blue trend now that I just moved around. So because you can see that price is really moving between those two trends, so we can go much higher and no problem, but the only problem that eventually we're going to fall back, right? And also this is an ascending triangle, so this bearish pattern, but which is normal, because if all that is wave one, then we need time to chill off and make a three wave down, pull back. So that would be eventually a new accumulation point. Now I don't know what happened. I think we were 1.5% up at the beginning of the video, isn't it? Anyway, or something just changed now, or am I crazy, or yeah, okay, so we just had a very nice impulsive movement to the downside. Not crazy, not crazy. Okay, so I think this is pretty much all for render. So the only thing I would say, let's watch out this this kind of bull flag now, right? So if it does work out, then we can spike again a little bit higher, and also, you know, we could say that maybe this one here, we had another bull flag here, kind of, and after we did break out, right? So it lately is doing that, so that's nice, and it was very nice impulsive movement, right, that we did. So that's also positive. Thank you, fake news, for the part of render. You help him to reach very quickly this uptrend line, now sitting on previous resistance and acting as a support. So amazing. So I would say let's watch out in the next 4 or 5 hours how render is going to behave. And this is all for render for today. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.